You're going to learn small tsu and meaning of a symbol in this lesson. So we have small tsu in katakana too. When you see the small tsu, the consonant of the letter after small tsu will be double. Same as small tsu in hiragana. Let's see an example. There is a small tsu before a letter pu. So the consonant of the letter pu, which is p, will be double. So it will be koppu, which means glass. So now I introduce you the new symbol, the horizontal bar. We call this nobashibo in Japanese. When you see nobashibo, it means that you need to sound a letter just before nobashibo longer. Let's see some examples. Katakana a plus nobashibo. So you sound a, and the next katakana is to. So it will be ato, which means art. Next one. So katakana sa plus small tsu. So you skip tsu. Then katakana ka plus nobashibo. So you sound ka longer. It will be sakka, which means soccer, football. So now you know how to read small tsu and nobashibo. You will learn small a, I, e, and o in the next lesson. See you in the next lesson.